Hello and welcome, dear students. We have the learning targets for grade 7 for the third week of September, beginning from 13th of September, spanning till the 17th of September. We begin with the listening, speaking, reading, writing comprehension. In general, in the interview, that means students will be asked questions while what did they do during the weekend. Such interview questions, the students should be able to respond in complete sentences, and it is expected that the students have been learning conquered, that means subject verb agreement. Students should be able to respond using subjects more than one subject. For example, my friends and I, my family and I, such subjects to be used during the interview. Students should be able to write vocabulary as their students come across new vocabulary. The students should record that in the notebook, learn the spellings, learn the pattern, refer a dictionary, and it is expected that this exercise is expected that the students should do it independently. Their vocabulary building, spelling building should be evident from their notebook work. Then from the literature textbook, that is our small textbook that is prescribed book, we have the selected poem Daffodils by William Wordsworth. We will be appreciating the poem. Appreciating means that we will read it for pleasure, then we are going to analyze it. We'll look at the poetic devices, looking at the poetic devices and appreciating the beauty of the poem, that is called appreciation of the poem. So we are going to appreciate the poem Daffodils. That means read, understand the poetic devices, rhyme scheme, similes, metaphor, assonance, repetition, if any. We are going to study all that and then respond to question answers, that is appreciation of the poem. Then with the reference to grammar, referring to our textbook exercises, we have quite a lot in place, that is gerunds, participles, infinitives, and for determiners are quite in detail, that a video has already been uploaded. Students are expected to take their time off from textbook reading and refer to that video, record that information in the notebook and take down the information. Try using that in constructing sentences, that is in detail. Grammar is not just copying the rules and writing down the given examples. So students are expected to work on the exercises. A lot of exercises are given in the video and the students are expected to work on those exercises independently. Students are also expected to take down new words that they come across and learn the spellings. Coming to unseen reading comprehensions and listening comprehensions, the students are expected to read beyond the text. And what is the expected? The students are expected to focus on the learning indicators given by the NCERT and develop on those skills on their own also and while in the class also. The focus in English in grade 7 is on the skills prescribed by the NCERT, and the content is selected by the teacher. What content should be used in order to develop a particular skill? I hope it is clear to the students that earlier in the junior classes the lesson or the story was selected and that story was given as a prescribed portion, but as we progress further, we come to the secondary, middle school, we focus more on the skill and the content is selection. The selected content is given for the examination in the literature section. So this topic, Daffodil, William Wordsworth's poem, will be featuring in the literature section for examination. And then coming to grammar, all the grammar, what is being taught and that is there in unit 3 will definitely feature in the test or examination. And focusing on unit 3, it will be done as a listening exercise. Listening exercise means the teacher will read out the passage and the questions will be shared. Students are expected to listen to the passage and respond to the question answers. This will feature in the literature section of the examination. So it depends on what lessons are done in the class as listening comprehension. That will feature as literature in the literature section for writing question and answers, or even narration. Progressing further, the students have been given a project on reflections on pandemic. That project continues. It's a collaborative project. Students are expected to collaborate with students of other schools at national level or international level. The students are also expected to select as many questions they would like to attempt during a particular discussion and submission, and the students may go at their own pace. Maximum the students should take about 2 to 3 weeks to complete part 1 of reflections on pandemic. Once the students finish that, part 2 will be uploaded and the project the reflections on pandemic will continue. Focusing on the sub skills, listening has been discussed, comprehension, reading, writing has been discussed. About 2 reading comprehensions have been uploaded, that is informational text. The students are expected to click on those videos, read it and respond to the question answers or the reading exercises given in the description box. The students are expected to do it in their notebook independently. And as far as the classroom discussion is concerned, it's a part of enrichment. Students should be able to use that grammar construction while talking to the teacher or the students in the class. The grammar that will be taught is gerunds, participles and infinitives. That is a part of their textbook, and the students will be practicing it while attempting their textbook exercises and the workbook exercise. As far as the writing is concerned, the students should be able to write any of the incidents in a paragraph, that is a heading and a brief paragraph. Progressing to short stories with factual, inferential and explorative, students are expected to attempt the question and answers. Referring to the cross-curricular links, students are expected to find out the scientific name of daffodils. The students may ask the science teacher, or the students may explore on the internet and find the scientific name with the species and the genus. Then tracing the life cycle of a plant and the area where certain plants grow. It is with reference to the listening comprehension which we are going to study. The students need to explore certain information on their own. It is only for journal knowledge and vocabulary. With reference to the NCERT learning skills, the students are expected to create a skills tracker for week 3 also in the beginning of the week, and then trace the skills over the week, and at the end record whether they are the emergent level, progressive level, whether they have met the target or they are exceeding the target. If students are not sure, please go to the video notebook maintenance skill tracker and see how the skill tracker is to be maintained. Reading the skills, learning indicator skills for the students. The students should write like to identify the main idea, to identify the details. In the case of the poem, the skills will be to appreciate the poem, then to identify the main idea, to identify the details of the poem also. Then the characters, the reading comprehension, the listening comprehension, students should be able to listen and visualize the character as per the description, as per their listening. Then the sequence of ideas in the story, in the listening comprehension, as the listening progresses, students should be able to arrange those events in order. Students are expected to narrate the events in the correct sequence. Then comes the non-textual material. Students should read beyond the text also. That means students should go and read about other poems regarding flowers. And then coming to the topic regarding plants, the students should read more literature about where certain trees grow, for example on the mountains and in the valleys, in the plateaus, what kind of trees with names if possible. Students should be able to read reading them in context, referring a dictionary. Students should know how to refer a dictionary, go in alphabetical order. This is a skill that is expected by the NCERT. It is not that Google search for the meaning and that is all. Students should develop on their dictionary skills as well. Using a thesaurus, there's another video how to use a Roberts thesaurus. Students have already been taught how to use a Roberts thesaurus. Please go watch that video, and the PDF of the Roberts thesaurus has already been shared with the students, so kindly use that for looking for words from in the thesaurus. And then referring to encyclopedia with reference to plants, all the topics that we are doing this week are connected to plants. Kindly refer the encyclopedia and find out more information and record in your notebook. Finding the meaning as you come across difficult words, kindly record the meanings in your notebook. This is an independent exercise. The teacher will not point out, because certain words might be new to one student, it might not be new to another student. Certain words might be difficult for one student, it might not be difficult for another student. So it is an independent exercise where the students need to take the onus on themselves and pick the words, look up in the dictionary, find the synonyms, similar meaning words, find the opposite words, antonyms, and record it in their notebook, maybe as a mind map, maybe as bullet points. The idea is that the students should have the right vocabulary to comprehend or based on the questions, and comprehend extrapolatory questions also. That means unseen questions where you are involved along with the literature or the text. I hope this much is clear to the students, and the skills are the same as the learning targets shared in the previous week. The students are progressing with the same skills. Those students of mine who are new, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that this video gets added up to your auto-generated liked videos. You may refer this throughout the week, and you may also refer it near your test and examinations. And kindly refer it throughout the week. It will help you to understand what is in progress, and whatever is done during the class, in the notebook, the discussions, all will be included in your term 1 examinations. Thank you very much for your precious time.